If you want to create a private story on Snapchat, then I suggest you to watch this video. Hi, back on my YouTube channel. In this video I will discuss about how to make a private story on Snapchat. Okay, let's jump to Snapchat. After you enter the Snapchat application, click your profile photo in the upper left corner. After that, click on Create a New Story. Select Create a New Private Story. Private stories will only be shown to specific people you choose. Then choose who can see your private story. After that, click Create Story. You can change the name of this private story group according to your want. Next, click Save. To post a story, click on the name of the private story group you just created. Then post the post as a normal post. As you can see, here my private story has been activated. Don't forget to check out my next video. If this tutorial doesn't work for you, please write in the comments your problem. I will try my best to help. And I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like and subscribe button.